guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, a food challenge after so long, and I've been watching food challenges these days a lot, and it is like really relatable and bingeable on the other hand. And yes, I have made some food challenges, the black food challenge, the yellow food challenge, and recently 200 rupees challenge. तो बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया था. But this food challenge is kind of different, and it is for my favorite food, Maggie, for 24 hours. And I am going to eat Maggie for different meals at different time. And yes, if you know this challenge, then you know everything, how this goes and everything. So the only thing that I have right now is Maggie. तो अभी मैं बस Maggie ला के रखा है, and जो भी घर पे है सामान उससे बनाने, क्योंकि it's not safe to go outside again and again. And I'm feeling so fresh today क्योंकि सुबह सुबह, since I was super excited for this challenge, तो सुबह सुबह उठते ही I just did my workout and then took shower, and yes, I'm just ready for this challenge. तो अभी सबसे पहले first meal पे चलते हैं, which is the breakfast. And yes, I want to make it kind of healthy. Let's see क्या कर सकते हैं. So I am dyeing my hair क्योंकि it's not possible कि kitchen में मैं खुले वालों में बनाऊँ, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगेगी. Since it was the establishing shot, तो yeah, mandatory. And yeah, mostly breakfast में I just take some eggs or even toast or peanut butter sort of. So I want to make my breakfast a little bit, healthy with Maggie itself. So I'm going to add eggs to my Maggie to make it more proteinous and tasty as well. So let's go, head on to the kitchen. Breakfast. Finally, after a lot of sweat, we made this, and it's looking delicious, and I'm dying to eat it. And mostly लोग अंडा मैगी ऐसे बनाते हैं ना कि मैगी में directly उसको डाल देना, लेकिन ना that kind of smells really bad. So I have kind of modified it with omelette and this Maggie. So I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to mix and then I'm going to eat. So I think बहुत tasty लगने वाला. I'm super excited to have it. Also, I have my meeting scheduled from around 12. So I'll see you guys after the lunch. No, around the lunch, so that you can get to see the second meal of the day. And I haven't planned anything for that. Let's see what we are going to make. For now, let's munch on it. Nostalgic. So finally my meeting is over, and it was like a really long meeting, but I kind of was filled throughout, so I'm proud of the decision that I made in the morning कि अंडा मैगी खाना है. It kept me filled, and throughout the meet I was thinking कि हाँ second meal में क्या बनाना है, नहीं बनाना है. And also for this meeting look, I just added this blazer on the top of my dress. That's how we do work from home. But yeah, again I feel really privileged to be into this profession wherein I can work from home and everything. I am so grateful to God. So for the meal too, what I have planned so far is that I'm going to make Maggie obviously, and I'm going to put a lot of vegetables, whatever जो भी मेरे को किचन में मिल जाए, फ्रिज में मिल जाए, I'm going to add everything to make it kind of heavy, like a lunch type of. तो वो खा के I'm going to take a power nap. But yeah, again it's really difficult for me to chop all of these vegetables, but I have to do. So let's go. So we have this 12 rupees वाला मैगी का पैकेट, शिमला मिर्च, गार्लिक एंड ये these days I'm adding a lot of अदरक and लहसुन to my diet. Yeah, you know. And we have this पत्ता गोभी, कैरेट, धनिया पत्ता. इतना कुछ ही मिला फ्रिज में and I think this much is enough क्योंकि पैकेट, ये मैगी का पैकेट भी बहुत छोटा है. But yeah, again this is enough for me क्योंकि मैगी थोड़ा सा bloating भी कर देता है. So let's chop it out. Okay, so I am that one person कि जब भी इसमें मिर्च डालते हो ना, I just rush through दूसरे सा रूम क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा उछलता रहता है. But I think अभी ये थोड़ा सा रुक गया है. So now we are going to add this shimla mirch. Like I really cook in really bad synchronization. तो मेरा ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है क्योंकि ultimately उसको बेच नहीं जाना है. Suck at logic. So vegetables fry हो रहा है and then we'll add मैगी मसाला जो इसके अंदर होता है and water and ultimately मैगी डालना है and I think बहुत टेस्टी बनने वाला है क्योंकि इसमें vegetables है, मैगी है और मैगी itself बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी होता है. I'm a huge fan of Maggi. That's why I'm enjoying this challenge like so very much. So ये ऑलमोस्ट बन चुका है एंड बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग भी हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है एक्सट्रीमली एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू हैव दिस एंड या होपफुली बहुत अच्छा टर्न आउट होगा क्योंकि बहुत टेस्टी सा दिख रहा है. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दिस ग्रेवी टू काइंड ऑफ गेट थिकन्ड एंड देन वी ट्राई. बस 1-2 मिनट और. And I'm super happy the way it turned out. इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. I feel like stirring it for an hour. लेकिन हाँ, I'll definitely click my thumbnail picture in this क्योंकि थोड़ा सा tempting है. And yes, it is tempting me. I'm just waiting for this to kind of थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाए, फिर we'll try. But for now, I can try these carrots. Yummy, truly, बहुत tasty. So when I posted this story on Instagram and even on YouTube community that what sort of food challenges you people want me to make, one request that I got was the ASMR food challenge to eat something in that ASMR sense. I felt it's so different, but yet again I felt that मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि whenever I watch the ASMR videos ना, it is a different feel altogether. And जब वो food challenge होता है तो फिर तो और ज़्यादा. And I felt like laughing for hours. So मेरे से वो हो नहीं पाएगा. So before finishing it, क्योंकि मैं खाते ही जा रही हूँ, उसको खत्म करने से पहले I have to click the thumbnail picture and then I'll finish it. And इसके बाद एक पावर नैप, पता नहीं वो पावर नैप कितना लंबा होने वाला है क्योंकि आजकल दोपहर की नींद, oh my god, it's like बेहोशी. We sleep for hours and hours. तो पता नहीं आज का क्या सीन होने वाला है, but I want to wake up शाम को क्योंकि शाम को कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा exciting करेंगे with Maggi. So please stay tuned for meal number 3 and even meal number 4 as well. So this power nap turned out really long and I'm sleeping from 1-1.5 घंटे से आराम से. And even after waking up, I am stuck on my bed from 20 minutes now and I was scrolling on YouTube and watching a lot of Maggi recipes to fix out the meal 3 and meal 4. And for the third meal, I have, kind of plan and just saw a tutorial recipe kind of. It's Maggi bhel. If you have ever tried bhel puri, then you know what I'm trying to say. But मैंने कभी भी Maggi bhel try नहीं किया है, so I really don't don't know how it is going to be, turn out. But again, I'm open for everything and every disaster because it's food challenge. So yes, I think I should leave my bed now and we should start. Oh, yeah. For this recipe, we have to crush Maggi into एकदम छोटे छोटे सा part. So I have this Maggi and this bowl. I'm going to crush it like in really small pieces, and then we have to add small onions and then tomatoes, mirch if you want, dhania patta and all of it. So basically, it's like a bhel puri kind of using Maggi. And yes, after crushing this Maggi, we have to saute it for a while until it becomes brown. तो देखते हैं. And इस रेसिपी में इसका बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, एज वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियन स्पाइसेस, सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड दैट एज वेल. बट आई एम नॉट गोना गेट रिड ऑफ दिस क्योंकि ये मेरा फेवरेट है एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट मेकर है. इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक अ जॉब. So we are almost done, but ये करते वक्त what I have realized कि ये wrong method है. It is taking quite a lot of time. So what we can do, I mean what you can do if you want to make like Maggi bhel, तो आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि you can just take this packet and you can crush it बाहर से, Maggi अंदर हो, तो इससे थोड़ा easy पड़ेगा and it will take less time. So that's what I have figured out. So I thought why not share it with you all. Yeah, this is ready and ये बहुत easy था comparatively the first and second meal से, तो बहुत easy था. And yes, again, if you want to taste Maggi and if you want to have like a healthier option, then this is the best. We haven't even added a pinch of oil to it, so I think ये थोड़ा सा healthy है comparatively to the normal Maggi that we eat. Also to ump up the taste, I've added this टेढ़े मेरे, luckily मेरे घर पे था, so I've added it 2-3 and yes, now I'm going to have it. मेरे लिए ये first time है, so I'm definitely gonna share my experience with this so that you can try it as well. And बहुत simple है बनाना, आपने देखा ही होगा. Yummy, yummy. नॉर्मल भेलपूरी से भी बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. प्लीज़ गाइस ट्राई दिस वंस, बहुत टेस्टी है. Also, I have to edit a video, बहुत दिन से बना पड़ा है and I have to edit that. So yeah, I'm going to finish this and then we'll start the editing part. And yeah, see you at the 4th meal, that is my dinner and the end of the challenge. And yeah, so it's time for the last meal of the day. And truly speaking, अगर ये challenge नहीं होता तो I would have skipped the dinner part क्योंकि बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं है. I'm not feeling like eating even Maggi, तो समझ लो. And yeah, every night I kind of take some bowl or something like hot soup sort of. So today what I have planned is that I'm going to make soup, mixed veg soup, and then I'm going to add Maggi onto it. So it is going to be experimental, so थोड़ा सा तो इंटरेस्ट आएगा मेरा, बट yeah, I'll try my best to create something जिससे मेरा इंटरेस्ट आए, क्योंकि बिल्कुल भी इच्छा नहीं है खाने की, अंदर से नहीं है, एंड कुकिंग की तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, बट वी हैव टू एनीवेज. So we have the meal for right in front of us, and while cooking, पता नहीं ऐसा फील आया, गट फील के बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी नहीं लगेगा, so I sprinkled cheese on it कि थोड़ा सा टेस्ट बढ़ जाए. And now I'm going to taste and let you guys know कि ये कैसा लग रहा है exactly. It's pretty okay. I mean, if it would have been tomato soup or even chicken soup, तो ज़्यादा tasty लगता. That is something that I'm going to recommend to you guys. बट या अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए तो ये ठीक है, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगने वाला क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है नहीं एंड बहुत ज़्यादा भूख भी नहीं थी. सो आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश दिस. I'm just scratching the cheese ऊपर से. So that was it about the video and this really fun food challenge. बहुत मज़ा आया, but then again I am feeling bloated, तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. मैंने वर्कआउट की तो ऐसी की तैसी हो चुकी है, but nonetheless I'm going to take up more food challenge क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा fun है मेरे लिए भी and देखने वालों के लिए भी. And I really want कि ये पूरा the month of May I want to spread positivity and love and थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को स्माइल करवा पाऊँ अपने वीडियोज़ के थ्रू, तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. So I'm just trying my best to do that. And if you enjoyed, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please comment down more ideas, blasting ideas of food challenges क्योंकि बहुत सारा बनाना है इस May में. So yeah, please help me with that and follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_ and please subscribe. I प्यार you guys. Tata.